Hi, my name is Jill Schooley. I am the building consultant here at America's Home Place in Statesville, North Carolina. The first thing that you want to do when considering building your new home is to talk to a bank. You know what you want your budget to be. You need to talk to the bank and actually get your budget before you ever start the process. The last thing that you want to do is to come out with an extremely high house payment that you don't want to pay for or you're not able to pay for and actually get attached to a home in your mind already. So really the first place to start is with your money. The second thing that we ask is you either know what your house plan is, you know you want a ranch house, you know you want a 2-story, a beach house, a mountain home. You kind of know in your mind what you want and you have to find property to fit that. The other way around, you already own the property. You already have the view of the lake that you want. Now we have to work with the house that fits on your property and works with your property. After you have kind of figured out those items, we will actually bring you in here and sit down and work on your floor plan. We will customize it to get exactly what you want in your home. Again, come and see us here at America's Home Place. I am Jill Schooley, the building consultant in the Statesville office.